Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a video that I kind of filmed before already, but I just have a new edition of it, which is an eyeshadow tutorial with the Rimmel Magnif'eyes Spice edition. That video is, as far as I'm aware, the most clicked video on my channel. The palette itself is about £10, available in Boots and Superdrugs. The color palette is very autumnal, which is of course perfect now. That's how it looks like. And I've already done the rest of my face, so I've done eyebrows, makeup and everything. So I just jump into the eyes today. I'm gonna quickly put on some eye primer. The idea that I have is that I work a bit more with the purple and the pink shade here. Last time it was a very reddish look, so I tried this time to make it a bit more purple pink. I kind of want to do focus the purple on like the outer part and then the inner part, and leave like the middle part for the pink shade. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a dense brush to get the best color from the purple, or the strongest. I think I mentioned it last time already, it has a lot of fallout, so just by dabbing the brush off here now, hope you can see. So I'm gonna focus it on the outer corner here. And then I'm gonna take it a little bit higher than my crease, and like half in my crease and a bit up over to the other side, and slowly, like slightly blend it in already. And then I go down on the other side, and then I'm gonna take a tiny bit and apply it in here as well. You have to be a bit careful with the purple, so it doesn't look like someone punched you in the eye. And then I'm going to use a little bit of a fluffier brush, and I'm going to go into this light brown shade here, just to kind of blend out the edges a bit. It helps like getting rid of the sharp lines and just blends it in a bit better. And to warm it up a tiny bit more, I'm going to use this red shade here on the same fluffy brush. I dip in once, not more, just a tiny bit, and kind of run around the edges a little bit. Because I think it's a very cool toned purple, and I kind of want this look to be like a bit warmer. I'm going to take a clean blending brush and blend everything in. I'm going to use the same purple and put it underneath the lower lash line. I'm going to zoom in a little bit further. So you could just apply the lighter shade in the middle now, but what I'm going to do to make it pop a bit more is I'm going to take a very covering, very light concealer and just going to dot it slightly into the center of the eyelid. And I'm going to take a clean brush, if I find any, small clean brush, and carefully blend it in. And do not go above the crease, so go up to the crease. This is why we went higher with the purple shade before, otherwise the purple will be gone now. So dab into the crease and very slightly go to the left and the right. And kind of blend it and like fade it out a bit. I'm going to leave my eyelid a bit closed, so while it's drying I'm not putting up the concealer onto my into the crease where the other color is. I've got some more eyelashes as well. And while this is drying, I'm going to look down and I'm going to do the other eye quickly. So I'm back with the second eye done, and both eyes are kind of dry. They're still tacky a bit, but dry. And I'm going to dig into this, I think I'll start with this lighter pink here, which kind of looks like this. And I'm actually going to use my finger to get the best color payoff. And I'm just going to go in with the finger and press it onto the area where we've put the concealer. And now there is quite a harsh line between the pink and the purple, so I'm going to dip into the purple again a tiny bit. And I'm going to try and like slightly blend the purple into the pink. Next I'm gonna use the light, what is it, like pearly white color here, and apply it on the upper eyebrow, the upper lid, like underneath my eyebrow, and then into the inner corner as well. And next I'm going to use an eyeliner and just create a very, very thin line with a little wing at the end. And then next I'm going to use a white eyeliner and put it in my waterline just to brighten up the eye a bit more, because we have a lot of dark colors going on here and it helps to open up the eye. And finally for the eyes I'm going to put on some mascara and I'll be right back. And that is the eyes completed. I'm going to apply some lipstick to finish off the look, and I'm going to use a matte lipstick from MAC, which is called Kinda Sexy, which looks like this. So it's kind of a nudish color, which I think goes quite well with the pink. It's kind of warmish pink nude. And that is the finished look. It's very like pink and purple, as I said, even though like the palette itself is very reddish tone. But I thought because I, in my last look, used a lot of the red colors, I'm going to use something different this time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And also, you'll find me on Instagram. My name there is Anna X Lifestyle. I will be really happy seeing you there as well. And otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!